Welcome to assignment 2. This week I have chosen to show you how to prepare a project in a DAW using the project checklist from the course material, and to show you guys that you too can make this happen quite easily. There may be a few other topics that I double on while going through my specific assignment topic, and if so, I'll point them out to you guys. However, I won't go into further detail in hopes that someone else will be showing those concepts. Okay, so the DAW I've chosen in my assignment is going to be Propellerhead Reason. Currently, it's the DAW I'm most familiar with and conveniently the one that I've been using thus far for the production stage. I start by reviewing my checklist from the course material and then open the DAW. The first time the application is used, you will of course want to set up your preferences, and so you'll head up to the Edit menu and select Preferences. Furthermore, you're going to skip this general one and head straight onto the audio. I've already ahead of time chosen my sample rate to be 48,000, and then if you have any other specifics here you want to adjust, do so. But this is going to be it for this DAW. Reason is limited by the fact that you can't change your bit depth, you can't choose a preset file output type, and that the buffer size is directly constrained to the latency. Well, of course, from the lesson, we do know this already, but to be able to have the option to adjust them independently would be a bit better. Now, you may have noticed there were other drop-down menus with options to change. However, I will only be covering the next one. Now, if I had a MIDI interface, which is in transit at this very moment, I would want to explore that next option in the Preferences pane, and that is the keyboard and control surfaces. Now here you have the option to auto-detect your interface, or you can hit the Add button and select from the choices that will pop up below. This assigns the channels and control change information to your interface. In addition, this allows you the ability to press a key on your keyboard and the correct note will be played in the DAW and output in real time. Now, unfortunately, if neither one of these works for you, auto-detecting or adding from that list there, consult your interface manual for troubleshooting and you should be able to get it figured out. So to accept our preference changes, we simply X out this window here. And I've already got my new document set up and ready to go. So the next item on our checklist is to name our project. So I go up to File and select Save. And really this is where I'm going to be setting up my entire project folder. And I already have that set up already on an external hard drive. And so I head to that location, conveniently already named projects. And we're gonna make up another super cool name folder to show you guys what to do. Super cool project name, and we head in that directory, and here is where I'm going to house any samples, if I have any MIDI information, our backups, and that should be about it for the folders. We will also in here be housing the project file itself, which I'm going to change the name here, and any version changes that go on as well. Just a word to the wise about backups. I also keep another set on a different hard drive just for safekeeping. That is just a word to the wise from personal experience. Okay, so then basically we hit save, and we have created our project here with our checklist from the course material and a great set of guidelines to maintain and make changes to it. Now I encourage the use of other DAWs not only to find out which one or ones are best suited for you personally, but to also be able to benefit from some of the exclusivity that each DAW contains. A great thing, in fact the best thing ever, is that most DAWs have a feature by which they are able to play with each other, quote unquote, so to speak, Alright folks, take care, and I hope I've shed some light into your music production journey.